A super slick showstopper that's been professionally sorted, this awesome Stingray combines picture-perfect aesthetics with serious mechanical prowess. Massaged to near perfection during a comprehensive ground-up restoration, this Chevy's solid, no-hit body dons glossy blade silver metallic two-stage that was cribbed straight from the mighty ZR1, highlighting the car's timeless lines with unmatched flash. That pigment looks absolutely rich under a racy red Stinger stripe. Slip into the sublime leather-wrapped cockpit and settle on 6th-generation Corvette buckets. A bright red dash is fashioned around modern climate control and custom electronic gauges. At the base of that dash, a small console frames a booted shifter in front of factory power windows, and the driver spins an attractive Billet Specialties steering wheel on a tilting column. Lift the hood to reveal 6.2 liters of LS3 V8. That Chevrolet Performance crate motor is rated at 495 horsepower, and it gets power to the wide 345 tires out back through a T56 Tranzilla 6-speed and a quick change differential. Plenty quick and plenty streetable, this pristine Corvette is an excellent combination of awesome pro touring performance and timeless Motor City aesthetics. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.